Hello guys, are you excited to learn a new topic today? Join with us to explore the world of technology. Let's know what actually uDemand is. uDemand is a real-time, collaborative learning platform for software development. It produces professionals that are self-sufficient and have the willpower to compete on global business networks. Today we are going to learn about SAP Ariba and its advantages. Let's get started with a small introduction to SAP Ariba. SAP Ariba is the leading provider of cloud-hosted business commerce networks. It enables enterprises to identify potential commercial partners, interact with them, and collaborate with them. SAP Ariba is a platform for conducting business-to-business, B2B, transactions. That is housed in the cloud and enables companies to enhance their handling of the purchase process, giving organizations the option to do it. SAP Ariba helps organizations in controlling the whole procurement cycle. Through the construction of relationships between them and prospective customers, suppliers, and partners. SAP Ariba needed to do business is included in SAP Ariba, from searching for items and placing orders to invoicing customers and processing payments. In addition to this, the SAP Ariba network supports buyers and sellers in finding better discounts, minimizing their operational expenditures, and reducing their exposure to risk. I hope you gain the knowledge on what is SAP Ariba software and how to use SAP Ariba software. Do you want more videos like this? Then for more updates do like, share and subscribe to the uDemand channel.